In this section, we'll explore just some of the basic concepts and capabilities of Excel and look at the user interface here. So Excel is a software product developed by Microsoft. It's available on Mac, Windows, and a web version. I recommend using the desktop version. It has of both Mac and Windows. It has more features currently than the web version. But Excel overall, wherever you use it, is a very powerful data analysis, modeling, and presentation platform. So it's got a wide range of functions. So you can enter data, manipulate data, perform calculations, create visualizations, all together here in a interface that is pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. Let's first talk about the interface. At the top here we have the menu ribbon, which is where most of the features that you'll use can be found. The quick access toolbar at the very top has some of the basic save features, but is also customizable. You can add commonly used commands to this as a shortcut. And then we have the formula bar here where we can, once you select a cell, you can enter a formula in that bar that will be calculated in that cell. And we'll get much more into that in later videos. The spreadsheet itself is this table that we have, and it's arranged into columns vertically like this. This is showing column D, and rows horizontally. This is showing row 5. So columns and rows make up the spreadsheet, and a cell is a particular intersection of a row and a column. So here we're looking at cell D5 because it's the cell that is the intersection of column D and row 5. So we'll reference that as cell D5.